I'm John Garcia, and I'm going to tell you about how you can measure pH, which is the measure of hydrogen and hydroxyl ions in water. There's a bunch of different ways that you can measure pH. One of the ways you can measure pH is by using test strips or litmus strips that you just descend into the water. And then on these strips, it has boxes. Each box has indicator chemicals that allow the color to change, and that color determines the pH. You determine the pH by comparing the colors on the strip compared to the case. So here it looks like automatically it's on the 0 to 7 side, which means acidic. So this to me looks like 6. pH matters, and it's important because for some organisms to survive in certain ecosystems, the pH has to be a certain level for them to thrive. You can always test it again to confirm that you have the right pH solution in the water, and that's how you record pH.
Another way to determine pH is by using a pH test dropper. To use a pH test dropper, you must fill a beaker with nutrient-rich water and drop the solution inside of the test dropper into the water. The water will then change color, and then you will compare the color of the water to the pH value color chart, in which you will then determine whether or not the water is acidic or basic or even neutral, and you will know the exact pH of the water.